Hello my friends! Today I'm cooking onions. I have here leeks that I washed and onion, olives. That's it. This is all. I probably have 30 olives. I'm also gonna need tomatoes or crushed tomatoes from a can or fresh, and I'm also gonna need a slice or two of lemon. I'm not gonna put too much salt because the olives are already salty, and yes, I'm gonna use garlic. So that's gonna be a very fast recipe. All this meal is gonna be consumed with polenta and is a vegan meal. So stay here and enjoy the video. So first I'm gonna put the olives on a stove and boil them. The onions I'm just gonna slice. It's a lot of onion. I'm using 4 tablespoons of oil because it's a lot of onion to fry. I will let them cook for 5 more minutes. So the olives are boiling. I let them soften. This way I will get more salt out of it. And here I have baking soda. And I take a teaspoon of baking soda and sprinkle over the onions. So I sprinkled about half of it, and I save that for later in case we need more. So they start losing their moisture and it turns into a sauce. And let them cook more. I'm gonna just slice these big chunks like this. So this meal is gonna be enough for 3 people. And I'm gonna cut some of the light green part. I saved these for soup. That's the color. This is what I was looking for. It melted, so I'm gonna make a very, very nice sauce. The olives are boiling still. I'm gonna let them simmer for a while. I'm gonna cut some cloves of garlic. So I have here 2 tomatoes that I'm just gonna shred like this. I'm gonna add the tomatoes and the garlic together. Okay, and I'm gonna mix them up well. Okay, so I let them simmer. I'm going to add the olives that are boiled almost. I add them here. I'm going to add 1 bay leaf. That's it. If you don't like peppercorns in food, you can add the ground pepper. I'm adding some lemon juice. I'm slicing the lemons and add them to the meal. Teaspoon of honey. Some condensed honey, but you can use any type of honey you like. And just 1 teaspoon. I want it to be sweet. Now we have salt, we have sweet, we have sour. Now we have that umami taste. I'm gonna turn the oven to 365, and after they simmer a little bit here on top of the stove, I'm gonna put them in the oven. I'm just gonna put inside the oven. Take a lid a little bit and clip. While waiting for the leeks to cook in the oven, I am making polenta. So I don't have an exact recipe for polenta. You can find on internet. Stone ground yellow cornmeal, original coarse grain. It's made in Texas. That's the only reason I'm using it, because it's made in Texas. And I start with 2 cups. And I'll see how much I need, because I never measure it. I always eyeball it. And already put salt, a little bit of oil, and now I'm adding this. I have here 2 cups. This is gonna start thickening. So I'm whisking because I don't want any lumps. Thickening, as you see. Then I'm gonna wait for a few more minutes, and if it doesn't come up to the thickness I want, I will add a little bit more. So as you see, it makes splashes. Which looks scary. You have to mix, because otherwise it sticks to the bottom. They reduced a lot. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a thick sauce. This is beautiful. I'm just gonna let it rest. This is 4 hours later. Well, I cooked the meal, but we didn't have as stiff as a rock. I'm gonna cut a slice of it so you can see it. Look, it's almost like a bread. I like it, and with polenta, it's delicious. You know how onion tastes, and the tomato juice, and yeah, it's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit salty, it's a little bit sour. All these 3 together already make a beautiful taste. I'm gonna take my time and eat it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and please give me a thumb up if you liked it, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Bye.